So the question is, retirees, where is your income going to come from? That's the question. Why am I asking that? Because of the fact interest rates keep going lower and lower. And I'm hearing from a lot of people, they're contacting us saying, Greg, I'm getting my Social Security, but I also have this portfolio of investments, and I'm just not getting income off of it like I used to. Well, this is the point I want to make to you. And there's also a link at fiveplanpartners.com, or a link below, that you can listen to when I was on the Matt Murphy show. And I talked about things that are going on in Europe. Well, because people are concerned about Europe possibly unraveling, they're going out and buying treasury bonds. That's forcing the yield, or the amount that they're paying out, that's forcing those rates down. Now, if you're going to buy a car and you need to finance it, that's great. If you've got to finance a mortgage, that's great. The problem is that if you're a retiree and you're in CDs, you've got your money in treasury bonds and you're just now buying them, the rates are lower and lower. And when you're looking at a 10-year treasury at 1.5%, you've got to have quite a bit of money to generate a good income off of that. So what's happening over in Europe is also impacting us here, and the concern of what's going on in the U.S. economy. How will Europe impact the United States? So flight to safety is a phrase you've heard before. People are buying government bonds and driving the yield down. So you're a retiree, you need to live off the income. Stock market's very volatile. That's the kind of dialogue you need to be having with your financial advisor. Look, in these uncertain times, how can I develop a portfolio that will generate very good income for me, maybe even get appreciation, and at the same time, I don't have to deal with all the volatility that's out there. Don't get me wrong, different types of investments fluctuate different ways, but you can diversify and create a portfolio that will enable you to be able to withstand some of the volatility out there. So if you listen to me on the Matt Murphy show, I'll give you great insight on what's going on with Europe, what's going on in our industry. And after you listen to this vlog here, you'll understand too how it's all interconnected, because it impacts your wallet ultimately. So don't get the attitude, that's Europe over there, they won't bother us. We're all interconnected and it has its impact. That's the kind of dialogue we have at Five Plan Partners. Those of you that are clients of ours know it. Those of you that aren't, maybe we need to talk. Thanks for listening.